Hey there guys, this is going to be the fourth tutorial in the Wireshark series. So in this video you'll be seeing how to filter the packets in Wireshark. In the previous video we have seen how to capture the packets, so we will be seeing how to filter now, and if we have time we can also analyze the packets. So firstly let us see what are the capture filter versus the display filter. So there are only two types of filters. One is the capture filter and another is the display filter. So the capture filter is nothing but this one is called as the capture filter. So I have given an explanation on what is capture filter. So while starting the Wireshark, you can say I need only ARP packets. Then you will see the ARP packets only. You will be not seeing any other packets. Any other packets will not be captured. You will be capturing only the ARP packets. And it is also called as pre-filter, or you can also say it as capture filter. So let us see how to do a capture filter. So I'm just entering ARP. For some reason it is not accepting. So let me type ARP. So I have to select the network. So I have selected my Wi-Fi and I have typed the ARP, and let us give enter. So as soon as I give enter, we can see only the ARP packets. So you can see in the protocol we are getting only the ARP packets. So we have told in the capture filter that I need only the ARP packets. So this is how the ARP packet, the capture filter works. Now let us see what is display filter. So let me stop it. So over here you can see a red color box, a red color square. So that is the stop capturing packets, which will stop the packet capturing. So let me stop it and go back again, or let me load my file. So it will be in the downloads, and I told you that we will be using the trace file. So let us use the trace file now. From where I kept the trace file. I think this one. So let me load it. Yes, the trace file is over here, guys. So I have loaded my trace file, and also simultaneously you can also load the trace file. So in the trace file we can see there are various other protocols such as the DNS, TCP and TLS version 1.2. So over here we can see it is saying apply a display filter, but in the previous just before a second we have seen in the search option that is the capture filter we have seen. Now we are seeing the display filter. So in this display filter we can just enter the particular packet you're searching for, and it is also called as post filter or display filter. So for example, I'll just enter, you can see the example over here, where it is. So for example, I can just enter the IP, and don't worry about the technical terms. You can just go to the Google and type the terms, or you can just enter the display filters and you can find all the filters, or if you just enter the first letter, you can find all these. So you don't have to worry about the keywords. So I will just search for the IPs alone, and I will be just searching for the IP. Yeah, IP is over here. Let me give enter. Let me search for only the IPv6s, and let us give enter. So there are no IPv6. Let us search only for the ICMP. So ICMP is nothing but Internet Control Message Protocol. So let's search for the ICMP v6. Nothing is here. Great. So let us search the ARP now. So even the ARP is not here. So let us search only the TCP. So we can see the protocol TCP is over here. So let us just enter the TCP and let's give enter. Now we can see only the TCP ports. So this is how the display filter works. So in the previous, just before a minute, we have seen how the capture filters work, and now we are seeing the display filter. So basically the display filter, we are capturing a lot of packets on the network, and then we are filtering the packets. So this is called the display filter. So let us see the next thing. So let me go down, and also I've given some examples on how the keywords work, so you can take a look at it. So basically for the keywords, you can just go to the Google and type and find all the keywords. So most of the time you'll be not using everything, but you can just enter the first letter and you can find all the keywords. So if you just enter A, you can find all of them, what you're searching for. And let's see how the string filter works. So the string filter is really crazy. You can just enter the words and you can find. So for example, in a particular packet, there is a Google word. So I want only the Google word packets. So for example, I can just enter from, you can see over here, from, sorry, it is the frame contains, sorry, my mistake, frame contains. And as soon as I enter the frame, you can find the pop-ups over here. Frame contains app, TCP. So let us search for, so you can see I have searched for the Google. So let us search for the Google only. So you can see all these frames, all these frames, these particular frames are containing the Google word. Let's enter again, frame contains Google, and let's give enter. So we can see all these packets are containing the keyword Google. So we can find it is having the keyword Google, or we can find the keyword Google in this. Let me change the packet diagram to packet bytes. And in the second video, I have told you how to change the packet diagram to packet bytes. You can just go to the edit preference and go to the layouts and click on the packet bytes. And now we can see the Google keyword. And if I click on the first packet, we can see in the packet we are not seeing any Google terms, but on the third terminal we can see www.google.com is over here. So let me widen it up. Yes, we can see www.google.com. So this is how to filter these strings, and we can find the particular term. And then yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So in this video we have seen only 3 things. So the first thing is the capture filter, and the second thing is the display filter. So I don't recommend the capture filter because you will be specifically capturing only one particular packet, so I don't recommend it. And then we have seen how to display the filter, and we have seen how does the string filter works. So that's it for this video, guys. You can just go and play with it, and you can go to the Google and find all these keywords and you can try it out. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video, guys.